Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic under the category of reading section, that is note making. Now, what is note making? First of all, note making is a way of recording important details from a source. This source can be any book, article, meeting, or any oral discussion. In note making, the writer records the essence of the information. It helps us to understand and clarify thinking. Note making saves a lot of time by going through the notes made. One can get a glimpse of a lot of information from a short note. The marking scheme for note making is 4 marks, means 1 for the title, 2 for the content, and next one is for abbreviations, means short forms. Now, what are the advantages of note making? A note making is a skill which improves by practicing. There are some advantages of note making. Let us get to know some of these. First, it has great importance in exams or in academic writing. It is an organization of main points for future use. Note making helps in keeping the information handy whenever we require. It helps in recollecting and recalling the past events said or heard. It helps in concentrating, understanding, and provides a permanent record. Note making format helps a writer to go through bulky documents quicker. It helps in understanding a material if the notes are in own word. It distinguishes between main points and details. Now, what are the procedures of note making? First is read the passage provided, underline the important sentences. It helps to make heading and subheadings. Make a rough note first so as to get an idea. Organize them in logical order or sequence or for the final note. Use the appropriate note making format. Do not change the idea or the message of the passage, means don't add extra information. Points to remember for note making format. Yes, these are very important. Avoid using long sentences as heading or title. Never lose the main idea of the passage. Ignore information which is less important. Be brief, clear, and specific. Use logical sequencing. Use proper indentation. Indentation means gap. Leave no spaces to avoid confusion. Do not include your own version or understandings. And in the last, use abbreviations. Now, what is the format is about? There is a fixed note making format which is given by CBSE. One needs to follow this note making format in order to have a clear and unambiguous understanding from it. The note making format has heading. It shows the title or the heading of note. Then subheading. As the name suggests, a subheading is a subdivision of the main topic. One can use as many subheadings as he or she wants. Point. Below subheading, there are some points which are the part of the main topics. Then subheading. One can add more headings below the points for showing the category, types, advantages, etc. And in the last, we have key or keywords. The key portion of the note shows the various codes, symbols, or the abbreviation used. It helps to get a clear understanding of the keys used in the note making format. Now, as we were going through abbreviations, so what are they? See, the symbol we are using, the short forms we are using, there is a proper format for that. For example, how can you write "and" in this way? In abbreviation, you have acronyms, contractions, and short forms. So, to help you, I have added these acronyms. See here, how can you make them? Next is contractions and short forms. Taking the first few letters of the word, you can make the short forms. Here again, you have a big list for some words. And now numbering and indenting makes it more clear. Indentation means leaving space at the beginning of a line of print or writing. First we write the title and then write down the notes in logical order. From the main heading to the subheadings, the numbering should be spaced a little to the right. Now the next is in the last, when you properly design your format, you get the this type of format. So you have to follow these, and we will do an example in next session. That's all.